This is Singing in the Rain from Easy Winners. This sort of pace, it's a bit fast. You can slow it down, don't have to go this fast. Speed, it goes. It only uses 5 notes, this. 5 notes. It's pentatonic. Apart from one bit. Okay, after 3 goes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I would advise, if you're doing this one, to find the lyrics, because the lyrics fit pretty much exactly to what's written down. And if you have the lyrics in your head, it becomes much easier to get the rhythms, because the rhythms similar but just slightly changed, which can be really, really annoying. I'm now going to do it one more time at a slower tempo. Yeah, this is 90 beats per minute. So if you haven't quite mastered it, this might help. Here goes. So 1, 2. One more tip I thought of as I was playing that. On trumpets, for some reason, I don't know why, Ds and C sharps are very sharp. Bottom Ds, those notes, C sharp and D, are often naturally quite sharp on the trumpet. So what you often have to do is push this third valve slide out to compensate and make it a bit more in tune. It's a bit sharp. When you're playing tunes, sometimes you don't notice it, because you don't notice that. It's just a passing note. But when you've got, it sounds quite sharp, so it's worth putting that out. Often, again, the other thing with that is that when you play any other note, like E flat, and that is out, that E flat, which normally is in tune, will be flatter. So you've got to put it back in again for the E flat. But what I like about this tune is the only note you use that has that third valve down is the D, which is the sharp one. So you can, in this piece, before you start, pull the third valve slide out and just leave it there for the whole tune. No E flats, no A flats, which is quite useful. Yeah. All right, enjoy. That's from Easy Winners. That is page 12, Singing in the Rain.